So hi guys, we're back and we're drawing a cat ice cream.
We're gonna draw a kitty cat ice cream cone, and today Harley is teaching me how to draw.
Yep.
These are always fun, so let's get started. We're gonna jump right in. What am I doing?
The cone.
Drawing a cone like a triangle?
Uh-huh. Like this. And then you're gonna make a big circle.
Okay.
And then some ears.
Oh.
It's a cat ice cream. And have little triangles inside when you're done. You can see better. And now we're gonna add the little face.
Draw 2 circles for the eyes.
Yep. Then we're gonna color this green. And add little eyelashes. Because it's a girl cat. And now you're gonna make the mouth. And now you're gonna do the nose. And color it in like that. And now you're gonna do lines down like this on the cone. And just look at mine too. Then I do like straight like that way instead. Make it look like a real ice cream cone. How would you do that? Like to make it look really real.
I just did what you told me to.
Oh, little candy whiskers. And then we're gonna add the sprinkles. Then now you're gonna add a big heart here. And you're gonna add a littler heart here. And you're gonna add a littler heart here. And you're gonna do the same thing on this side. I did the upside down one.
That looks good.
And now we're gonna draw a big box because it's in the freezer to freeze to make it ice cream. And since it's freezing, we're gonna draw snowflakes.
Oh.
Now we're gonna draw one line there.
What is that line?
And we're gonna draw one line there.
What is that line?
It's something, it's like the little shelf that the ice cream goes on when it's freezing.
Okay.
Draw just lines like a plus.
What is that?
It's like just a little shine.
Looks cold and frosty and sparkly in there.
Yep, now we're gonna color.
Okay. All right, we're all done. Look at our kitty cat ice cream cone sitting in the freezer with all the snowflakes and the happy hearts. Thanks for teaching me how to draw this, Harley.
Okay.
I hope other people like drawing your kitty cat ice cream cone too.
There's
So,
only one cat.
there's only one cat, but a lot of ice cream cones here. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching and drawing along with us. But I think we need to say goodbye now.
Goodbye, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and come back and see us again soon, okay?
I hope you draw along with us.
Okay, bye.
Bye.